How to export videos from Microsoft Clipchamp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Microsoft Clipchamp. Then you can just tap on create a new video first. Uh, and then you can import media. So choose the video that you want to work on. You'll need to drag it to the timeline and then you can trim it. You can put in stickers, effects, and filters. They're available in the right hand side. You can adjust the speed as well. And then after you're done editing, you can see the export option in the top. Just tap on it. And then you can choose the video quality for 80p, 720p, or even HD qualities. Or you can even just export the audio only. And after you're done, just tap on it, and then you can name the video of your choice. Now, after the video is loaded, you can just save it to your computer. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.